Let's welcome. Today we discuss some another important question. Okay, see, this is the power and exponent. This is given 25 to the power of n minus 1 plus 100 is equal to 5 to the power of 2n minus 1. Find the value of n. Okay, see how to solve. It is very easy. See here is 25 to the power of n minus 1 and here is also 5 power of 2n minus 1. So we can split this become 5 power. Okay, so 25 means 5 square whole power n minus 1 plus 100 is equals to 5 to the power of 2n minus 1. Okay, suppose this is in the form of a to the power of m whole power n, so it is become a to the power of m n. Okay, by using this identity we can write this one 5 to the power of so this is become 5 power a to the power of m whole power n means a to the power of m into n. So this is becomes a to the power of m into n minus 1. Okay, is plus 100 is equals to 5 to the power of 2n minus 1. Okay, so now it is becomes by simplifying this one 5 to the power of 5 to the power of 2n. So by using this identity a to the power of, so we multiply, no need to my identity, no need of any identity. 2 to 2 into n 2n, 2 minus 2 2 minus 1 2, by I am multiplying with 2. Okay, so plus 100 is equals to 5 to the power of 2n minus 1. Now another one identity is there, that is if a to the power of m upon a to the power of n, then it is becomes a to the power of m minus n. Okay, by using this identity, okay, we are here using this identity. Now we are using this identity. Okay, so by using this one we can write this is, so 5 to the power of 2n whole power upon, so this is in the form of 5 power of 2n minus 2 is in the form of this a to the power of m minus n. We have to write this in the form of like this a to the power of m whole power a to the power of a to the power of m by a to the power of n. A to the power of n means 5 square. Okay, plus 100 is equals to, this is also 5 to the power of 2n upon 5 to the power of 1. 5 to the power of 1 means 5. Okay, next. Okay, next step is simplification. 5 to the power of 2n, okay, upon 5 square means 25. So we have transpose in the LHS and this is in RHS. So this is becomes 5 to the power of 2n upon 5 is equal to 1 minute, no need to take a minus value, just we have to transpose this one. 1 minute, just wait. So we have to transpose this value to the right side. Okay, so here is 100 is equal to 5 power 2 to the power of n upon 5 minus 5 to the power of 2n upon 25. Okay, this 5 square is 25. So now here is 100, simplify, the LCM is 25. So here 5 into 5 to the power of 2n, my here is 25, so here is minus 5 to the power of 2n. Okay, so it is become 100 is here LHS side, and it is, suppose we common 5 to the power of 2n. Okay, by taking common 5 to the power of 2n, here is 5 minus 1, okay, by 25. Okay, so next 100 is equals to 5 to the power of 2n into 4 upon 25, right? So here 4 ones are and 4 25s are, okay. Next here, so by cross multiplying, here is known in the denominator there is a 1, okay. So by cross multiplying 25 into 25, 25 into 25 is equal to 5 power 2 to the power of n. So we can write by changing like this, 5 to the power of 2n is nothing but 25 into 25. So 25 into 25 means 5 square into 5 square, can we write like that? So that is nothing but 5 to the power of 4. See, when if bases 1 minute, we know now, some suppose if bases are equal, this is one identity. If bases are equal, then powers also equal, powers also equal, powers also equal. So by using this, see here, 5 to the power of 2n is equals to 5 to the power of 4. So when the bases are the same, so powers we have to equal the powers. So here 2n is equal nothing but 4 and the n, so here by dividing both side 2, okay, both side 2, so it is become cancelled. So n is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are, so n is equal to, this is the answer. Thank you very much.